Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 19 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of Zaid Alif. What is Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran, and how do we pronounce Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is the Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran. What is the condition to pronounce the Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran? What is the Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran? In some places of the Holy Quran there is a circle sign. This circle sign on Alif will be present. This type of Alif is called Zaid Alif. In some places of the Holy Quran there is a circle sign top of the Alif. On the Alif, that Alif is called Zaid Alif. What is the condition to pronounce the Zaid Alif in Arabic accent? In the following word, this is the example of Zaid Alif. There is circle sign on Alif. This is Zaid Alif. What is the condition to pronounce this Zaid Alif? In the following example, in this word, Zaid Alif will not be pronounced in term of wasl and waqf. In both conditions, Zaid Alif will not be pronounced. In the following example, we do not pronounce this Alif. This Alif is called Zaid Alif because it has circle sign on it. And where you can find this word in the Holy Quran, you can find this word in the para number 17, surah number 21, and the surah name is Al-Anbiya, and ayat number 34. How do we pronounce? Let's learn with example. Hamza zabar a, fa zabar fa, afa. Hamza noon mim ze im, afa im, mim ta ze mit, afa im mit ta zabar ta, afa im mit afa imitta, afa imitta. This alif will not be pronounced in both cases, wasl and waqf. This is the example of Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran. In coming lesson, inshallah, we will learn more example of Zaid Alif. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.